Yo, what is good, people? Ben from Lover of Tech. We are back with another video, and this time it's of an unboxing, an exclusive one. This is the Oppo Find X5. And again, this is all thanks to Vodafone UK, man, supplying this. But yeah, this is the Find X5 5G, not the Pro, but the Find X5. So let's not waste much time. Let's unbox it. Again, I can't thank Vodafone UK enough. There will be links in the description below for all the latest deals that you can get on the Find X5. This is, I believe, fresh in the box when they sent it. And again, you're going to be seeing this on the 24th. They said it's strictly under embargo, so when you see it, it should be when it's available. But yeah, so I've had a bit of testing with the Find X5 Pro, but this is the Find X5. So we'll talk about that more and see what's in correlation. Yeah, this is the Find X5. Now, I'll be honest with you, a thicker box is a good sign because we know we're getting some goodies in there. But Oppo, you gotta switch up the colors, man. I think the colors just make it feel a bit too dull, in my opinion, but that's just me personally. Find X5, 5G, House of Blood partnership, and is there any other details on here? Yep, so what we do have is the black color, and it's 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigabytes of storage. Okay, cool. All right, let's not waste much time. All right, fresh in the box. Usually Vodafone don't usually do that, but you know what? This is an exclusive, so we'll take it, Find X5. We'll run through some of the specs and also the hardware. But geez, yeah, this is fresh in the box. All right, let's see. Do we have a case or anything that comes in here? Because Oppo tends to be good at that, and they do. Point number one goes to Oppo. They do give you a case in there. You got a SIM ejector tray. You got some booklets and stuff, obviously, which is great. I don't know what this is. Okay. Premium service exclusive benefits deserved to you. Okay, whatever that is. Look. Put that away nicely. Yeah, this is sick. Well done. Well done, Oppo. You already put a case in there, which is such a good look. Slightly different cutout compared to the Pro model, but that's a good look. I really like that. Really, really like that. Put this on the side, and then the handset itself. Let's bring it in the center. Woo! Yeah. This is great. It's a black color, and it already looks like it's going to be a matte finish. Put this to the side quickly. Boom. See the shape of it right there. Put this on the side, and boom! Look at that. Look at that. Charge it in the box. And then you've also got the on-the-go cable, the O2G cable, which is good to see. That's USB-A to C conversion. And then you've got a cable in there that's USB-C and also to USB-A at the end. And it's slightly thicker because it does support the VOOC charging, which it comes in a box. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That is crazy, people. That is crazy that you've got the charger in the box. So thank you for supplying the charger in the box in that one. And I believe this does support the Super VOOC charging, and that should be 80 watts. Let's see if it's 80 watts. Yep. Yeah, it does. Yeah, right here. Let's look at that. So that says 80 watt Super VOOC charging. Now, when I was at MWC, man, I actually got to see 240 watt and 150 watt Super VOOC charging, where it's like charging in 9 minutes. It's crazy, but it's great to see it in a box. Great unboxing experience. Well done, Oppo. No earphones, but we'll forgive that. But boy, getting all of that, a case, and also getting a charger in a box, great stuff. But yeah, this is it. Woo-wee, that's clean. That's a matte finish right there. Okay. And this is it. This is the Oppo Find X5 Pro. So, sorry, not the Pro, Find X5. Slightly different shape. And then obviously the Ultra and the main sensor are both 50 megapixels, and it is powered by the MariSilicon. And honestly, I kid you not, when I was helping Z-Tech Care with his camera comparison night shots with the Find X5 Pro, this MariSilicon, when it comes to night shots, is so fast, it's no different to taking normal shots in terms of the time. You know, anytime you take night mode shots, you know how it takes long to, this is instantaneous. So I hope you get the same experience in this one. So yeah, this is it. I love this finish. This is a much nicer finish, I have to admit. That matte finish on there. Yes, yeah, this is nicer. This is nicer than what I found on the Pro. Glossy frame, volume buttons on the left, separate buttons, not a rocker, which is great to see. Power button adjacent to the right. You do have a slight curve to the display as well. So just something to consider that it's not a flat display. 32 megapixel selfie, and obviously the zoom on here is 13 megapixels, I believe, times 2. You do get like slight marks that come onto it as well. Again, USB-C, bottom firing speaker, microphone, SIM card tray, no headphone port as per. And yeah, okay, let's try and see if there's any power to power this on. Hopefully. Boom, got the Oppo logo. Oppo logo here. Yeah, this is actually quite nice. It's actually quite nice. I love this finish compared to, I mean, the ceramic glass is nice, but I just don't like the feel of the glossy phones. And again, it does come with a case. Yeah, this is it right here. Boom. Next, English UK or United Kingdom. I do feel, yeah, there's slight haptic feedback. The bounce does have a haptic feedback, so okay. Looks like they have considered moving haptics in there. So we're gonna go back. We're gonna skip for now. Let's just get into the main menu. And navigation, gestures, of course. Skip for now. Later. Done. Welcome, that's nice and quick and easy. Get started with ColorOS. I believe this should be ColorOS 12. Bang, and there we go. Okay, so we're gonna go into the settings, and then we're gonna go into about device. Yeah, so we do have the digital imaging system, which is Oppo's first imaging specific neural processing unit. The MariSilicon X uses advanced 6 nanometer processing, high efficiency. You know what, yeah, when it comes to night mode shots, it's impressive, I won't lie to you. And in terms of the quality of the ultra wide and the main, because it's the same sensor with slightly different apertures and obviously lens on there for the field of view, yeah, it's very impressive. I've got to give it that, it's very impressive. Boom, 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 here we go. Yeah, Android 12. Let's go back. Bang, there we go, Android 12. We'll check for further updates later. There we go, boom. Continue. And then we've got the ultra wide, 0.6, 2x zoom, 32. Only thing I'm really just concerned of is the fact that this 32 megapixel sensor, right? Okay, let's go to 4K. You do have 4K, you don't have an 8K video, right? 4K is still available on the ultra wide, 4K is available on the zoom, right? But what you don't get 4K on the selfie camera. Selfie camera is only limited to 1080p. It's just something to consider in that sense. Night mode is impressively fast, but we'll test it more. And again, this is powered by the Snapdragon 888 for the Find X5, whereas obviously the Pro is with the 8 Gen 1. And yeah, this is it. This is pretty much it. I'm gonna be doing charging tests, camera comparisons, the lot, and really see how this goes. And I don't have any listings of the actual outright price. That will be links in that will be in the description below once I get hold of it. But yeah, this is an exclusive one from Vodafone UK, so I really appreciate that, man. And so far, I like the finish and the feel a lot more than I do the Pro version. Even though the Pro is ceramic, glossy, I just don't like glossy feels to it. But yeah, this is a good look. This is the Find X5, not the Pro, but the Find X5. That's it. Let me know what you want to see in the comment section below. A big one to Vodafone for supplying it, man. And that's it. From me to you. If you enjoy videos like this, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Hope you're safe during this time. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.